Using your phone to control your system is definitely handy. So how do you do that? First, download the Steigen Connect app. Make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi of your choice. It is recommended that you connect to a 2.4 GHz connection. Now let's pair your mobile. Press and hold the light button for 5 seconds. Upon hearing the beeping sound, press the fan button. You should see the LED indicator rapidly flashing blue. Now your Steigen is ready for pairing. Let's take a look at the app. Tap on Device and then press Add Device. Type in your Wi-Fi details, then press Start. What if you encounter an error? If you see a message saying configuration failed, something has gone wrong in the process. Check to see the LED color indication. If it is blinking at a fast pace, it means that your phone is too far to connect. Move closer and try again. If your Steigen is flashing at a medium pace, check from these errors and try again. If your system still doesn't work, feel free to contact us. You can click on the card above or the link in the description below. Let's try again. Now all you have to do is tap on the device to start using it. Then you're ready to use your Steigen.